Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'm doing a technical breakdown on Tencent, ticker symbol 0700. If you're new to the channel, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more charting and price manipulations. Do note that I'm just a humble chartist and I do not provide any buy or sell calls. Instead, I focus on the potential traps laid out by the market makers. Always remember the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of people most of the time. So Tencent is one of those biggest companies in Hong Kong. So it definitely affect huge weightage on the Hong Kong index. So you can see that we are seems to be having a V-shaped recovery, which is extremely powerful. This is totally unexpected, but it seems like there's perhaps a squeeze happening in all the Chinese stocks. So if you look closely on, let's take a look at the weekly charts. You can see that all of these previous supports here were actually broken on the way down, 400 and even 300 broke down. So many people may have potentially put their stop losses just below 300. I mean, the market makers may just potentially flush to about, I think it wasn't low of 297, 298, 299. So these people actually may have put their stop losses nearby there. So it's advisable to not put your stop losses just below psychological support levels because you may potentially get stop out. So if you look at this particular Tencent, you can see that if you draw an arrow here from this first drop all the way down from its high, and then you position this arrow to the next high, which was somewhere around 520. You can see that this arrow actually landed quite nicely to this bottom here at about 297. So definitely people was being stopped out by this potential strong support of $300. Nevertheless, moving forward, what exactly is 10 cents way ahead? I think $400 will definitely be a psychological support, even though we open at 401 today. It is definitely a psychological support that we have to beat. But I'm looking at this particular level at about 415. This particular level here, there's a gap here, somewhere between 408 to about 416. So this gap needs to be closed. So in the event that this gap's closed, then the market can go either direction. If we are able to clear with high volume of this level, then we may appear bullish and continue going further all the way to about 440 to 450 levels. However, you need to be careful that we may potentially break out here and then have a fake breakout and thereafter fall back down. So this level here about 415 is very crucial. Once this gap closes, then it's very important for the next movements of this particular counter. And after that, we will definitely see this another cloud resistance somewhere at about 440, 450 levels. So yeah, nevertheless, earnings is on 23rd of March. So if in the event that we are able to go above the cloud, and then if there's significant amount of buying pressure just before earnings, we may potentially see good earnings. However, if the trend is weak just days before earnings, then you can expect a bigger correction on the day of earnings as well. In my opinion, I don't think that the earnings will be very good, but I may be wrong. So we can just hope for the best, and hopefully the earnings are in our favor and the stock continues to go up. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you keep the uptrend on the channel intact. Leave in the comment section below your thoughts on this particular stock, or if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.